Welcome to TEF Talk channels. I'm Engineering Khalid Al-Malsi. Today we will talking about the automatic transfer switch JQX-62FN-2Z and how to wire it. This model supports up to 80 ampere at 220 volt, 250 volt, but for safety it's recommended not to exceed 50 ampere. Look at the pictures. We can see the device model, switch model. As we can see, the device has 8 wire terminal. Let's throw the NO1. Main power input, hot wire, positive wire. The NC1 backup power input, hot wire, positive wire. The NC2 backup power neutral, negative wire. NO2 its main neutral power. The CAM1 it's a hot load power, positive power for the load. The CAM2 it's output neutral, negative wire for the load, to the load. Coil plus and coil minus, it's for jumper to main source. It's a coil terminal responsible for switching. Warning steps. Connect from NO1 to coil positive and connect the cable to the main positive source. Connect short wire, jumper wire, to the main neutral source and connect the neutral for main neutral. Now we connected a backup source, neutral and positive. Now the last steps, we connect a load wire from negative positive in the COM1 and negative in COM2. This way the automatic switch will give priority to the main source like solar inverter, and if fail it, we will automatic switch to the backup grade power. We can see here a main source. If run, the load run from a solar system example. And if the solar inverter system is failed, the automatic switch will back to the grade power backup source. you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon. And if you would like support us and donate to the channel, you can find the link in the description.